Mastering the 24-Hour Clock, a comprehensive guide. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle an interesting topic: understanding the 24-hour time format. This format, also known as military time, is commonly used worldwide and is very practical. Let's dive into the concept of the 24-hour clock and see how it can help us tell time accurately and efficiently. The 24-hour time format is a way of telling time that runs from 0000 at midnight to 23:59 just before the next midnight. It doesn't use AM or PM like the 12-hour clock does. So, 1500 in the 24-hour clock is equivalent to 3 p.m. in the 12-hour clock. To convert a 24-hour time to 12-hour time, just subtract 12 from any hour greater than 12. And to convert from 12-hour to 24-hour, add 12 to any p.m. hour. Reading the 24-hour clock is simple once you get the hang of it. Hours from 1 to 12 correspond directly with 1 to 12 a.m. on a 12-hour clock. However, the afternoon hours are where it gets interesting. In the 24-hour clock, 1300 is 1 p.m., 1400 is 2 p.m., and so on, up to 2300, which is 11 p.m. And don't forget, 0000 is midnight. In many parts of the world, the 24-hour clock is used in written communication, especially on digital devices, schedules, and transport services. For example, if a train departure is listed as 16:30, it means the train leaves at 4:30 p.m. Being familiar with the 24-hour clock can make travel, scheduling, and communicating time much easier. There we have it, folks. We've gone through the concept, reading, and usage of the 24-hour clock. Remember, it might take a little practice, but once you've got the hang of it, the 24-hour time format can be a very useful skill to have. So keep practicing, and you'll master the 24-hour clock in no time. Until our next language adventure, happy learning!